this video, we'll see how ShareGate can help when it comes to modifying large quantities of metadata with the Bulk Edit Content feature. To access the feature, simply select a list or library from the Explorer screen and click on Bulk Edit Content. Then, two options are available to modify the data. The first option is to select items you'd like to modify and click on Next. If you've already used the Copy Content from our migration feature, you'll recognize the Copy Template options. For each property of your content type, you can decide to preserve the mapped values. In other words, preserve the data as is for this property, unless you modify the property's mapping in the mapping screen. You can also create custom values to replace the existing one. Tell ShareGate to ask you what it should replace each item with, preserve the map values but use a default in case the field is empty, or simply ignore the data inside that field and leave it empty. Once you've selected the desired options, simply click on Bulk Edit and let ShareGate do its magic. The second option is to select what you want to copy and then click on Export Metadata. ShareGate will then create an Excel sheet with all the items you selected and all the property columns of the list or library. Within the sheet, you can modify all the metadata you want and use Excel at your advantage. You can use the filters or formulas if needed. You can fill up empty columns and modify the content types of different elements with Excel. Once you're done modifying the sheet, go back in ShareGate and click on Import and Edit and select your Excel sheet. ShareGate will then offer you the same options seen previously if you need to add more modifications. When you click Bulk Edit, ShareGate will modify the metadata attached to the items you exported to Excel using the modifications you've done to the Excel sheet and the template options. With the Bulk Edit Content feature, standardizing metadata and cleaning up lists and libraries get faster than ever.